The long-awaited, fully electric replacement for the Volvo XC90 appears to have surfaced on the internet in new patent images. Polsa.ru has worked their magic and created renderings that could resemble the final product. Volvo previously stated that the XC90's successor will be completely electric. The automaker also mentioned that it will have a different name. Our sources tell us that it could be called the EXC90. The EXC90 will initially be sold alongside the internal combustion engine XC90, which is expected to receive a facelift. However, in the long run, the EXC90 will likely take over its combustion engine equivalent following the other Volvo lineup.